Hello everyone. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up your student portal account and also how to access your reports using the student portal. Now, in order to access the portal for viewing reports, you first need to open your browser and access the school's website. So open your favorite browser. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome, and type in the school's website address. Once the page has been loaded, search the menu bar for Student Portal. You will then be brought to this page asking you to log in or to set up an account. Click on Set up an account. If you're using a tablet or smartphone, first access the school's web page on the device, then click on the Menu tab and search for Student Portal. It will take you to the same login page as if you're using a computer or a laptop. At this point, you'll be required to choose your setup methods. There are 3 different setup methods. One, you may use the student ID if you know it. You may use the RPC number that is on your report, or you may search for your name on the system. For this example, we'll be using the search function. Next, you'll be required to enter your name, your date of birth, and the class that you belong to. Once you've entered the required information, click on Set up Account. You will then be prompted to enter your email address. For this, we recommend you use your school-issued email address. First, enter your email in the first available slot, then confirm your email by retyping it in the second available slot. To ensure that both emails are typed properly, then click on Send the Activation Email. Next, open your email from your browser or from the app on your device and search for the message that came from SMS at Holmwood Technical High School. Read the message, then click Verify Now. This will bring you to the final stage of the setup process. From here, you'll be required to enter a password and to retype that password to confirm it. Then you'll be required to enter your phone number, that's a 7-digit phone number, as well as choose a username from the list of usernames that are provided. Once you've entered the required information, select the Complete Setup button. You will then have access to your school profile. In this school profile, you'll be able to browse different sections by visiting the My Portal menu to the right of your screen. From this section, you can add or drop subjects, use the calendar, view the mark schemes and grading plans, or select your information, or even view your reports. If you click on the My Information sheet, for example, you'll be able to view the basic information that is present on your school records. You will also be able to update some of these information such as contact information, your password, profile pictures, and a copy of your birth certificates can be added by you. To access your reports, click on the My Reports option in the My Portal menu. From here, you'll be able to view every report that has been published for you. Your most recent report will always be at the top of the list. To view your report, select the report that you wish to view. The report will then be loaded, and you will now have the opportunity to download that report if you desire to do so, or you can just view it on your screen. If you experience any challenges setting up your school account, feel free to reach out to your systems administrator or the technology coordinator.